Hi there, I'm Melissa Saynode, and welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. Today in Simple or Not Kitchen, we are making homemade sweetened condensed milk. I just love sweetened condensed milk, but did you know you can make it in your own kitchen? It's super easy and it saves you a little bit of money as well. To make it, all we need is a little bit of milk, some sugar, some butter, some salt, and some vanilla. To start, we're going to measure out about 2 cups of whole milk. Most of the recipes that you'll find for homemade sweetened condensed milk actually call for combining the milk with a little bit of cream. The recipe that I'm following today doesn't call for cream. Instead, it uses a little bit of butter. We're using about 4 tablespoons. To make our sweetened condensed milk, basically we're just going to cook everything on the stovetop on medium heat. We don't want to go above medium heat. We're going to pour our milk into a saucepan. We want to make sure there's plenty of room in that saucepan. And basically we're just going to be cooking all of our ingredients down. We're going to add our 2/3 cup of sugar and then a little bit of vanilla. We have about a teaspoon. We also have about a half a teaspoon of salt. And then in goes our butter along with our other ingredients. And keeping our stove on medium heat, we're going to whisk that together and we're going to let it cook. Because we are making an evaporated style milk, we want a lot of the liquid to evaporate from our milk. We are going to cook it on medium heat until it starts to simmer, and then we're going to slow down the temperature a little bit and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Now, you don't want to walk away from your mixture. You'll want to stay close by because you're going to need to whisk it every so often. And as it cooks, the mixture will reduce by quite a bit and it will thicken up a little bit. This mixture turns out so delicious and so creamy and delicious, and it will be a little bit thinner, not quite as thick as the stuff that you buy in a can, but that's okay. You can use it in cooking just like any other form of sweetened condensed milk. And the nice thing about it is you can also do a vegan version as well. If you wanted to do this with soy milk, you could do it with soy milk. You could use cashew milk, almond milk, any of the milk substitutes to make a nice vegan sweetened condensed milk. You could also leave the sugar out as well to do just an evaporated milk, or also if you wanted to replace the sugar with honey, you could do that as well. When it's finished, we're going to let it cool just a bit, and then we are going to go ahead and pour it into a jar. It'll last in the refrigerator for about a week. And there you have it. It's that simple. You can see it's not quite as thick. It will thicken a little bit more as it stands and cools down, but it's delicious and simple. Try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PenalCentral.com.